Okay, number 24. They've given me the focus and the directrix, so I don't have my H and K. What I want to go off of here is the directrix. The directrix is the X equals, and my focus doesn't include any kind of zero, so I'm not anywhere up on this first chart. Since I have two actual numbers, I know I'm somewhere down here on the second chart. I'm going to go off the fact that the directrix is an X equals. So my directrix, if it was blue, it'd be Y equals, X equals happens on the red. So I'm on the red side, okay? So X equals H minus P. X equals H minus P. X is equal to X. The equals are the same, so my H minus P is equal to 5, all right? Also, since I know I'm on the red side, let me find the formula for the focus. On the red side, it says the first number is supposed to be H plus P. Your second coordinate is a K. So this is supposed to be my H plus P. The second number is my K. All right? So that being said, H plus P is 2, and K is negative 3. All right, so what I know is H plus P is 2. And I know that H minus P, over here, H minus P is the 5. All right? And then I will just solve for P. I will do elimination. So if I add these two things up, H plus H gives me 2 H's. The P plus the negative P will cancel out. And 2 plus 5 gives me 7. So 2H equals 7. And if I divide both sides by 2, because I'm solving for H, I would have H alone equals 7 divided by 2, which we'll say is 3.5. All right? So my H is 3.5. The three things I need are H, K, and P. I know that K is negative 3, right? So I know K is negative 3, and I need to find P. So what I can do is plug it back in. It doesn't really matter which one, but I can plug it in. So instead of H plus P equals 2, H is 3.5. So 3.5 plus P equals 2. You with me? So I just plugged it into the top one. You could have plugged it into the bottom one. It doesn't matter. But instead of H plus P equals 2, I'll fill in the number I know for H, which is 3.5. Plus P equals 2. And if I solve for P, I'll just take away 3.5, take away 3.5. P by itself is just 2 minus 3.5. 2 take away 3.5 is negative 1.5. All right, there's P. So I've got H, I've got K, I've got P, I've got everything I need. I can go ahead and write the equation. We said we were on the red side, so the general formula is the Y minus K squared equals 4 times P times our X minus H. All right, so Y minus K, K was negative 3. So if it's a negative, when I subtract a negative, that's really going to be a positive 3. End it, square it, it equals 4 times P. 4 times P was negative 1.5, so times negative 1.5. 4 times negative 1.5 is negative 6. And then I have the X minus my H, and my H was 3.5. So we just fill that in there. And that is our answer. It's a standard form of our parabola. You get it? Please tell me you get it.